Hello dear children, welcome to the learning station. Today we will study the home class 4 English, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. The poet of this poem is Ruskin Bond. Children, Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. His famous works are The Room on the Roof, A Tree Still Grow at Dera, The Night Train at Dolly, and other stories. So let's see what he has given the message in this poem, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. Children, what would you like to do if the lights at your house go off suddenly? You will feel afraid, isn't it? So, this poem deals with the terror when there is darkness everywhere, right? So, let's see the poem. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be hushed, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. So children, here the poet tells a child that you should not be afraid of the darkness. Why? Because children are always afraid of night because of the darkness. So the poet is trying to explain that it is very much important for night to come after the day. The poet also says that at night when the sun goes down, then what happens? The earth takes rest. So it is very much important for the sun to take rest, and in the same way the earth also takes rest, and all the creatures on it can sleep peacefully. Then the poet says that the sun's light is very much strong and the moon's light is calm and soothing, and it relaxes us after the hard work. And also the stars which are shining brightly in the sky, they are the symbol of hope and light. Be friends with the night, there's nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it is seen that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Children, here the poet tells the children that we should not be afraid of night, as it is a friend to us and there is nothing to be afraid of it, right? In the morning, our mind is busy with all the problems and all the hurries, but at night, the mind is at peace, the mind is relaxed, and it relieves from daily works. And we can dream of different things and feel happy. So, we can sum up that night is friendly to us, so there is nothing to be afraid of night. Children, I hope the poem is clear to you. Now, let us see the new words and their meanings. The first word is afraid, which means feeling of fear. The next word, dark, which means little light or no light. Rest. Rest means to relax. Then harsh. Harsh means rough or cruel, strong effect. The next word is forever, which means always or continuously. Troubles. Troubles means problems. Cease. Cease means to stop or to come on an end. Now let us see the rhyming words. 1. Done. None. Never. Ever. Fear. Near. Cease. Peace. Now let us discuss the question and answers. Question number 1. What is the poem about? The poem is about the fear of darkness and how to get over it. Question number 2. What happens when the day is over? When the day is over, the moon appears and the stars shine in the sky. Question number 3. What does the earth do when the day is over? When the day is over, the earth takes rest. Question number 4. What does the poet want us to do at night? The poet wants us to be friends with the night and let our thoughts travel to our friends far and near. Next exercise. Are these sentences true or false? A. The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. It's false. The poet says that we should not be afraid of the darkness. B. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. True. C. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. This statement is also true. Now let us see the word building. Moon plus light, moonlight. Good plus night, good night. Water plus fall, waterfall. Break plus fast, breakfast. Day plus break, daybreak. Rain plus bow becomes rainbow. Next exercise. Look at these words in the poem don't, won't. Here are their full forms. Don't means do not. Won't means will not. Now write the full forms of the following words. First is did not. Didn't means did not. Shouldn't, should not. Wouldn't, would not. Couldn't, could not. Mustn't, must not. Now, question for you children. What are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight? Discuss with your friends and write your ideas. Here is an example. You can add more lines to it or you can write down your own answer. If there is no light, there would be darkness everywhere. If there is no sunlight, we would not be able to see around us. If there is no sunlight, there would be no food for us, as you all know that plants make the food in the presence of sunlight. The next exercise, let us read. The red teacups are filled with a particular word. Fill in the yellow teacups with similar sounding words. Children, these are similar sounding words and we also call them homophones, which we will do in the next video. 2, T-O-O-2 and T-W-O, 2. 1, dear, dear, sun, sun. Let us make sentences of these words. The first one, 2. I do want a coffee. 2 plus 2 make 4. There is one pencil left in my pencil box. My friend won the race. The deer is very lovely animal. She is my dear friend. I am the only son of my parents. The sun rises in the east. I hope you all know the difference between these similar sounding words. To explain in detail, I will make another video of this topic. So the children, the lesson ends here. I hope it is clear to you.